Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist with MF Global. Morning comments on the stock index futures on Monday, October 10th, second week of the month, starting off. All right, word of the day, risk on, safety off. What does that mean? Bonds are lower, the dollar is lower, the euro is higher, stock index futures are higher. What has happened? Well, we had France and Germany on Sunday, say that they vowed to strengthen the European banks. And because they strengthened the European banks, and we have very little detail, I want to kind of prep you there. They said by the end of the month, that's why I said this is the second week of the month. By the end of October, they'll come up with the big details, including a plan to ensure that banks have adequate capital that the market liked. Okay, they liked it to the point of 14 points in the S&P future contract, which represents about 1.2. Asian stocks liked it for about 2%. European stocks liked it for about 1.8%. What do they say? The details are in the devil is in the details. Well, I got to tell you something. We don't have the details yet, so it's hard to evaluate if it's a realistic approach. Did they kick the can down the road? Now, have said that, it's a holiday in some countries, Columbus Day. We're here. The markets are open. We have nothing on the docket. Earnings season traditionally kicks off, and that's going to be important for the next 3 weeks, with Alcoa, aluminum, commodity, tomorrow on the close. So we really have a few today. They won't be bearing on the markets that much. Volume should be little. It could be choppy. We're up right now. Now let's take a look at technical analysis. We'll use the S&P. Again, nothing's changed from the last 3 or 4 weeks, let alone the last 2 months. 12, 12, 10, 12, 20 is your high end of the S&P, and then we always seem to slide back. 11, 11, 10 on the low end. We have a few tails that went to 1070, and each time we made that big tail, stopped a lot of the longs out, got some weak shorts in, we always closed better, and then we rallied up from there. We're kind of approaching the 2/3 up in this big range that has lasted all of August and beyond. So it's been 2.5 to 3 months. I would have to say that if you're long now, you got to have tight stops to protect yourself. If we get up to 1190, I'm getting short, just like the last time we were up here with a tight stop. Good money management skills are very important. You need to call me at 866-231-7811, and we can play this. We are above the 10-day moving average now. I don't think that anything's really changed on a technical point of view. Tomorrow in the middle of the day, and I'll be here first thing tomorrow morning, and we could talk about the FOMC minutes, the minutes, not a meeting, the minutes of that meeting. And real quick, just to let you know, 58 is going to be minor support for swing traders, then 75 on the way up. We're underneath that right now, and then 1200. I prefer 1190, and on the way down, probably 38 to 40 is decent support, then 25, then 10. 11's your handle. As always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone.